1. Got a bit of a startup sound. Yeah, satisfactory. There's 2. Nice. Super out of balance. You have good image stabilization on this camcorder. It looks worse than it feels. 1, 2. Whoops. 0, 3. Okay, that's high. That's 3. Decent. 2. 1. Working like it should now. Always do spin down from low, even though some controls are not like that. They're 0, 3, 2, 1. I like them to be 0, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Honestly, that's kind of impressive. It sounded weird in my ears, but you know, every time it sounds weird in my ears, it's fine in actuality. So yeah, there it is, the 2017, 2018 Lasko, whatever, cool colors, purple box fan.